Here goes.
Shipping Charity publishes a required monthly test score. Arms, Pennsylvania. Effectively November 18th, 2012, colon 45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Texas is a state law requires monthly test of the